birthday, stay young and pretty.
Ah, so cute. Okay, how do you feel being the 21, Erin?
Is that? Yeah. Amazing. Which one? Yeah.
Yes.
This one or this one?
What's your message to her?
Happy birthday! We love you. I have only one hand.